Hello everyone of class 8 standard. Today we'll start the new chapter light. Okay. So here in this chapter we are going to just read what type of things. For first that I will tell you. That means first thing is that light is a source of energy. Okay. And the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You can write simply 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Meaning is that in 1 second it will cover the distance 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay. Next thing is that light is a wave. You can tell that one light. In this wave, the photon particles are present. Photon particles are present inside this light. Okay, and that will just give you the energy. Okay, this photon is just creating the energy because it's a wave, consists of photon particles. So these are the basic thing for the light. Now if you just read the properties of light, then in your syllabus only the refraction part and the concave convex mirror image formation is there, but light is just showing you different properties are there. So first one, I'm just telling you the reflection of light. So basic thing I'm just telling you today. Reflection of light we have already just understood in class 7 standard. Reflection of light is what? That whenever a plane surface is present or a curved surface or a diffuse surface, irregular surface is present, then if the ray of light will fall here, then definitely it will just so it will go in this way. Okay, this property is called the reflection of light, that bouncing back of the light from a certain medium. Next one is the refraction of light, that I will tell you. So many except this reflection and refraction, so other properties are also there. Polarization property, diffraction type of property, scattering type of property. Okay, interference type of property, diffraction type of thing. So these all things you will read in the higher classes also. So today's discussion is about the refraction of light. So refraction of light, suppose you are talking about, then what is actually the thing? That we know that one, in this case the two medium we have to choose. One is called the rarer medium. Okay, and second one is called the denser medium. Denser medium, one is rarer medium and one is denser medium. So in this case you just see that one, the speed of light, that means, which is always denoted by c, is more here and less here. Okay, in rarer medium the speed of light is more there, and the denser medium the speed of light is less. In other way you can also tell that one, that in this medium the density is less and here the density will be more. Suppose if you will conclude that two types of medium, one is air medium or second one is glass, or suppose water or any type of liquid, then these all are just coming in the denser medium family. If you compare these two, okay, air and glass. So what will happen if the ray of light is just coming from the rarer medium and it is just going to the denser medium, then what will happen to these all rays, the speed of light? What will actually the, we all know that light is always try to propagate in a forward direction, in a straight line. So what will happen to this one? That will be described by the refraction of light. So thing is that, suppose you just taking one transparent medium here through which light can if pass. Suppose inside this one, this here water is present. Okay, here simply water is there. Maybe water is present here. So this one is water and this portion is atmosphere, so this is air. Now what is happening is, suppose a ray of light, suppose you are just focusing a torch, a beam of ray of light here, then in this way if it will just fall in this intervening medium, then what will happen? It will go in this way or it will just show you a different type of thing. Actually in this particular case, what you will see, that if you draw a particular this type of thing here, normal here, then this ray of light will just bend towards this side. Okay, what will happen, what I mean to say here, that this ray of light is supposed to go through this side. Okay, it's supposed to go through this side, but it is not actually going. It is actually happening what? This angle, if you talk about, we all know that the angle will be always calculated from the normal. So suppose this is O, this is N position, then suppose this is A, this is B, this is B prime. So this angle is I and this angle is R. Okay, so this angle is known as the incident angle. Okay, and this angle is known as the refracted angle, not a reflected angle. So this property of light is called the refraction of light. So angle I is the angle of reflection, you can tell. Sorry, angle of incidence, and second one, angle R, is the angle of refraction, you can tell. So this is the actual thing. Now this one here we have concluded, this one is a rarer medium and this one is a denser medium. As we have already told that here the air is always just treated as a rarer medium, and water or any other liquid if you talk about, then this one is a denser type of medium. Now what will happen if this phenomena we are just going to reverse? If this one is just being reversed, then what will happen to the ray of light? It will bend towards the normal or it will go away from the normal, that we will see. Just thing is different, that here inside this one, just below this one, water is present. Okay, and someone is just focusing torch from here in this way, and ray of light is definitely go from the water to the other medium, that means air medium. So this is the rarer medium and this one is the denser medium. Okay, the denser medium. So ray of light is going from the denser medium to the rarer medium. Then what will happen? So first of all, we will just draw a normal here. In this way we are drawing a normal here, normal to this one. So now ray of light is coming, that means ray of light from here. So source is maybe present, so from here the ray of light is coming. Okay, in this way ray of light is coming. So according to the rule of ray of light, that it will always pass through a particular, in a straight line. So it should be going, it's supposed to go through this position, through this way, but it will not go in this way, it will go in this side. Okay, it will go in this side. So thing is that here we are getting two different angles. One angle is this one, normal, and the from this angle between these two, this angle here, this angle will be I, this is the angle of incidence, and the angle of reflection will be this one, normal, and this one. So what is actually happening? We are getting the reverse phenomenon. In case of the rarer to the denser medium, when the ray of light is going, it will just bend towards the normal. If the ray of light is going from the denser medium to the rarer medium, then the ray of light will just go away from the normal. This one is a normal, so away from the normal. Okay, so this is actually the refraction phenomena. This is called the refraction type of phenomena. Okay, so this you have to understood. Now one question I will tell you, that first of all, maybe ray of light is coming from the source here and it is going in this way. Now you are changing the position of the source. Maybe you can see this way, you are changing the position of the source. Can it be possible that ray of light will come down in this way? I mean to say that you are just changing the position of the source in this way. So ray of light is here now, this is the incident. So as you will shift the position of the ray of light in this way, this ray will always just change in this way. Okay, so one time it will come in this side, again when you are changing, then one time come it will just go in this way, and again suppose if you just change the position of this one, then definitely it will come in this side. Maybe you are understanding. First one is A, second one is B, third one is D, and fourth one is, sorry, A, B, C, and this one is D. So when the D, this ray of light we are talking about, the maximum angle, so when you are just bending, then it will not actually going in this side, it is just coming back in this side. So what is actually happening? We are getting a refraction here or a reflection, because this is a reflection. No, it is in the same medium, bouncing back from the same medium, what we have learned. So this type, for we are talking about this one only, D. Okay, this is the ray of light. This type of reflection is called the total internal reflection, because this one is happening for the internal cases. Here the total internal reflection, while you are changing this one in this way, when it is coming here, it will not go to the denser, to the rarer medium, it will remain on the same denser medium, which is called the total internal reflection. In the next video, I will tell you about the convex and concave mirrors, okay, and the image formation also. So thank you for today.